How to pay without card on PayPal step by step 2025. In this video, I'm going to be quickly showing you on how you can pay without card on your PayPal in the easiest and most simplest way. So to do this for yourself, what you are going to be doing is there's two methods of doing this. You can either go ahead and link a bank for yourself. Obviously, a bank and a credit card very different. So if you don't have a credit card, don't worry. You can simply link the bank that you belong to or the bank you have deposited your cash in, etc. So simply go over to link a bank, add in your bank details, and that is one of the ways that you can create a PayPal wallet flow for yourself. All right. So that's one way. Now, how do you do it in another way? Now, for this, what you're going to be doing is you're going to go ahead and go to invoicing. Okay. So sending money through invoices is something totally different. So what you do is you're going to click on create new invoice. You're going to add in the customer's name or email, etc. You're going to add in the item name that you're paying them for. And what you're simply going to be doing is you're going to making sure that once you send this, okay, you send it to yourself, okay, and once you send it to yourself, what happens from there is when you get the invoice link, simply pay with the bank details that you were going to add in PayPal anyway, and that is how you are going to go ahead and pay without card on PayPal. It's really simple, okay, and it's not too much of a hassle to work with. So that is how you're going to pay without card. Thank you for watching till the end, and I'm going to be seeing all of you in the next video. Have a great day. Goodbye.